Hey guys, the idea of communicating online is growing and growing. It's probably something that you'll have to do in the work world in a variety of ways. One way is through creating a screencast. It's basically taking your computer monitor and creating a video out of it where you're capturing your voice as well. The idea would be you have a coworker in a completely different city and you want them to see your computer monitor, but they're not in the same room. So you'll kind of video record your computer monitor with your voice on top of it, get that online and send it off to somebody else to see. Or maybe you have a bunch of employees and you want to create a tutorial video. So you'll get some resources on your computer, put them up on the monitor, record that video and your voice audio, turn that into a video that goes online and send the link off for people to watch your video. That's what this assignment is all about. There's multiple steps to this assignment that could be a little challenging. I'll put the steps below, but please contact me at any time. I'm happy to work with you on this assignment. We could try it a few times and improve on that assignment to make a better and better quality video. So good luck with it, and I'll talk to you soon.